Do you really want to make money using TikTok? As we all know, in the third world country, Africa, there are a lot of countries here in Africa like Nigeria, Ghana, and so many other countries are not allowed to use TikTok. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a foreign TikTok account, whether United States or UK account. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. All methods shown are legal and do not involve VPNs or unauthorized tools. I do not encourage violating TikTok's terms of service or local laws. Use this information responsibly. I'm not responsible for any action taken by TikTok on your account. So let's dive into the video. Now, first of all, you have to go to tiktok.com to sign up. Okay, go to TikTok, because that's where we are going to be using. You are going to be using our Chrome browser. Don't skip any part of this video, because if you skip, you are not going to get everything right. So I'm going to show you guys how to create foreign TikTok account using a legal way, not an illegal way. So you'll be needing your Chrome, and then, but before that, my name is Amos Online Technique. I go by the name Amos Online Technique, and in this channel I teach people how to get things done in technique space. If you are one who is trying to set up your TikTok account, this video will help you. And if you have any other problems regarding your phone issues, check out my channel. I have some videos that can help you set your phone to work faster and smoother and all that stuff. Anything concerning tech, I do. So now, without saying much, let's get back to the video. Now you've opened your Chrome. Now go to tiktok.com, and then it will lead you to this place, and you can see closely: by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms of services and acknowledge that you have read our policy. You can see. So we first of all put this our Chrome into desktop site so that it allows us to do everything properly. So, but look at what I'm showing you here. This thing below that says, by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you are agreed to our terms of services. So now click on the place that says Nigeria, and then it will show you some countries. But because I'm using a desktop mode, I'm using it on a phone, it doesn't allow it to show me the country. So I'm going to set it this way. So I just turn my phone to be this way, so to be in a portrait way. So this is it. Now click on the place that says Nigeria, the place that says with an account located in Nigeria, as you can see in the screen. Click on Nigeria. Whether you are in Ghana, Cameroon, any other African country you are in, just tap on the place that says located in. So you see my country here, this is Nigeria. So I tapped on Nigeria. So once I tap on Nigeria, it will automatically bring out any country of my choice. Whether you want to create an account in United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Australia, Netherlands, Canada, anywhere. So in this video, I'll be using United Kingdom. So once you I have selected the United Kingdom, I will come over here that says done, and then I'll click on done, and then you see something here. See what it says. It says, by continuing with an account located in United Kingdom. So this helps your TikTok know that you are creating a TikTok account based on United Kingdom, based on you are having a plan to relocate to United Kingdom. That is what it means. Note, we are not using a VPN. Everything here is legal. So now, let's say once you are done that, you now click on the place to sign up, and then input your email address. Don't sign up with phone number, just sign up with email. As you can see, I've already clicked on sign up with email, and then I'll input my email details and my date of birth and my phone number, my password, and then there's a code I'll input after I've done that. So let me input my details correctly, and then get back to you guys in a few minutes. Okay, but first of all, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and then also turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos like this. So now I'm putting my email, although I will blur it. Already putting my email, my password, my date of birth, everything is being here now. Now click on I agree, and then click on send code. As you can see, so they will now send you a code on your email, the email you imputed, which is this one you are seeing on the screen, although I have blurred it already. So it's my personal use. Okay, so now let me go to my email list to check in my inbox, and then boom, the email I received it. So I'll copy this code and then go over to my TikTok and then paste it there. Okay, so I'm pasting it, and then click on next. let's wait. Okay, so everything is being done. What does this TikTok allows you to do? This is where they ask me to put a username, but I will put it on my when I log into the app. So this is what I'm going to show you now. This is why you have the benefit of you having TikTok foreign TikTok account. You can see creator rewards program. In normal TikTok, I will show you in this video. In my Nigerian TikTok, I don't have this thing, creator rewards program, whereby you create a video. Once you reach the criteria of creating a video and your videos are getting views, they are going to pay you for the views that your video have. So this is the main reason a lot of people are looking for foreign accounts, foreign TikTok accounts, whether in Nigeria, any other places in Africa. So I'm installing the app. I'm already updating my own, so as to log in to my new account. So now I already updated it. I'm going to open it. So I'm going to show you something first of all in my old account. I want to show you that I don't have the creator fund. This is it. Let me go to my creator studio, and then if you watch here, this is all I have. I only have services and life rewards, and this place that says work with artists, video gifts, subscription, gaming, incentive program. This is what I have. Watch closely. You see, I don't have anything like creator fund, creator program program. So you can see it here also. This is only what I have, live reward and also. So now I'm going to log into my new account by putting the email and then also put my this thing. Let me sign up with email. So if you already have a username, you can also choose to put a username, but I already have my email there, so I'll put my email and then click on continue. So my email, I'm already putting it, although I blurred it. Like I said, it's a personal use, so I've already put in it. So now they send me a code, so I went to my email to check the code. So here is the code. Then I copy it out to my place and paste it there, and then boom, they will automatically log me in. So you can see this is the new account now. So this is how the new accounts look like. You can see everything is still fresh and so let me go to my TikTok studio and show you what I have told you earlier that is in my new account, that is not in my old Nigerian account. Then boom, here is it. This is it. You see here it says creator marketplace, and the second place says creator rewards program. You see, now look at my previous account. This is my Nigerian account. This says you only have live, but this one have creator rewards program. You can see. So that is what I mean. Now that is the difference between the foreign account and then the Nigerian account or this third world country account. This is the criteria you have to reach so that you can get monetized on your TikTok account. 18 years at least, have 10,000 followers, and then have 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Then I'll click on get your notification. So I've already clicked on here that says you will be notified with eligible. So I clicked on it so that whenever I reach there, I'm eligible, they will notify me. So that's gonna be the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. See you guys in my next video. Peace out.